That is a very interesting story. That relates to Nike introducing some new uniforms this year. They were introducing a new material for those uniforms, which resulted in a lot of complaints from the players themselves, and in some cases the fans, because in the case of the jerseys, both the number on the back of the jersey and the name on the back of the jersey are now in significantly smaller letters. So that also makes it hard for the fans to see. And then the pants in Major League Baseball are being cited as being a little bit too see-through because of the type of material. Now Nike, of course, says that these are innovative materials, that help with the moisture control, the moisture wicking, and whatnot. So I think that they had the right intent because they want to give their professional athletes the best they can. But the Major League Players Association this week was successful in lobbying for a change of those uniforms that Nike has agreed to. And the part that caught my eye was the head of the Players Association said that Nike applied innovation where there didn't need to be any innovation. It innovated something that didn't need to be innovated. And I really think that applies to a lot of leaders in data science because a lot of us do work on innovation teams, or we have an innovation mindset, or we have expectations from our stakeholders and our bosses to come up with innovative ideas or innovative applications of data science. So knowing when to apply data science and when not to apply data science, I think is a skill in itself. Later this week, I have a long form video coming out about evaluating the ROI on a project.